How many views are required to represent the important details of most aircraft parts? 1, 2, or 3 views are usually enough. What kind of parts can be represented by one view drawings? Parts with uniform thickness such as shims, plates, and gaskets. What is the name for a part of a drawing used to bring out important details, and how is it drawn? A detailed view, which can usually be drawn to a larger scale than the main drawing. What is the purpose of schematic diagrams? They are primarily used for troubleshooting systems. Describe an orthographic projection. It's a way of drawing an object using different views at right angles to each other, such as top, front, and side view. Why do manufacturers use symbols on aircraft drawings? Symbols are a form of shorthand and are usually used to convey the characteristics of a component with a minimum of drawing. Describe the appearance of lines used to show hidden values, alternate positions, and the middle of symmetrical objects, and give their proper name. Hidden views are shown with hidden lines, which are short, evenly spaced dashes. Alternate positions are shown with phantom lines made up of light, alternating long dashes and 2 short dashes. Center lines consisting of alternating long and short dashes show the middle of symmetrical objects. How can you determine if a drawing has been changed? A record of the changes is either listed on the revision block or in ruled columns, which may be in the corner of the drawing or next to the title block. How are dimensions shown on aircraft drawings, and what is their purpose? Dimensional lines are usually solid and generally broken at the midpoint for insertion of the measurement. They provide a means to accurately represent the size of an object. What is the difference between an allowance and a tolerance? An allowance is the difference between the nominal dimension and the maximum and minimum permissible sizes. The tolerance is the difference between the extreme permissible dimensions, which may be found by adding the plus and minus allowances. What is meant by clearance when used on aircraft drawings? An allowable dimension between 2 parts. What kinds of information about an aircraft drawing can be found in the title block? The part or assembly name, drawing size, scale, date, company name, or the initials of the people responsible for creating or approving the drawing. What information is contained in a bill of materials? A list of the materials and parts needed to fabricate or assemble the component or system shown in the drawing.